Why is nobody talking about this new hiccup straw from Shark Tank? Like, they literally even have them in hospitals now.
It's uncomfortable, right?
Very.
Okay, so you want to try now the hiccup way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for. You're good.
Thank God for this doctor right here. You can finally stop using all the weird methods like holding your breath, eating peanut butter, and whatever else people do to stop the hiccups. But it's designed in a specific way here where you literally just put the straw in water and drink through it. Kind of unreal how it took this long to make this. But I'll add it right here to the TikTok shop for you guys. Highly recommend grabbing one before they sell out again.